thing I don't like about this conditioner is the consistency is very, very watery. I mean, it's super watery. And that's why you have to apply so much on your hair to really make it feel like it has slip. So, I mean, you do get 10.3 flow ounces, and it doesn't look like I really use a whole lot. But for someone whose hair is maybe thicker than mine, I'm not sure how long this bottle or this container will last, because I don't know, I'm just not very fond of the conditioner. The shampoo I do like so far, but the conditioner, I don't know. It does have some slip, and I was able to put my fingers through my hair, but also with the shampoo, I really was able to run my fingers through my hair. Now, I did detangle my hair some after I took my twist out, because I don't like to wash my hair without detangling it. So that's just something that I always do. But I still prefer my Aussie conditioner, my Aussie Mega Moist, well now it's called Miracle Moist, conditioner over this Shea Moisture Hydrating Repair Conditioner. And this was, I think it was $11 and some change from Ulta. And Aussie is only $5. So that's why I always say you really don't have to get expensive products for your hair to look nice and be nice and conditioning. So I'm not the one who buy very expensive products, you guys. Not at all. Doesn't matter how much it costs as long as it works. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I got one more section to do. My hands are so slippery, I can barely open it. And then this container too, it's like when I hold it up, see how liquidy it is? You don't have to squeeze the bottle. I'm not even squeezing the bottle, and it's just dripping. So that goes to show you how watery the consistency is. Look. So you guys be the judge. Everybody's hair type is different. Everybody's impression is different. But this is my first impressions of these products. Again, I love the shampoo, but I do not think I will be repurchasing this conditioner at all. Just trying to work it through my hair, making sure all my strands are moisturized, coated with this conditioner, watery conditioner. I wasn't gonna do a mask in my hair, but I don't know, I may have to. Because so I'm going to let this sit probably about maybe 5 minutes. Then I'm going to rinse this out. And then I will be applying the hydrating, I think it's called hydrating protein treatment. I'll show it to you guys before I put it on my hair. that would be the next step. And I haven't put a protein treatment in my hair, and oh goodness, it's been a while. So, so yeah, I'm gonna let this sit for about a good maybe 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse out and proceed to with my next product. Detangle my hair with the conditioner. Yeah, I think the conditioner, because I didn't comb my hair with the shampoo. So not bad. After having twists for about 3 weeks, that's not bad at all. And then I also had some when I detangled my hair prior to shampooing, which wasn't a lot either. Probably maybe a little bit more than this. But in my opinion, that isn't bad at all from having twists in your hair, having combed your hair, anything for three weeks. So, okay, you guys. So now I'm about to apply this product here to my hair. I was watching other YouTubers and they say it's like a light protein treatment. So it's to strengthen and protect extremely dry, brittle hair. And it's sulfate free and color safe. Now my hair has been in twists for about 3 weeks, and my hair is thick, but my strands are kind of fine, thin. I don't know. My hair is weird, you guys, but this is the consistency, and it's very thick. I'm holding it upside down, and nothing is falling out. So, yeah, it's really, really thick. So, I just washed and conditioned my hair, and y'all heard all my little rap about the conditioner, the watery conditioner. I was not fond of at all. But anywho, excuse me, let's get into this protein treatment. Okay. If y'all see me looking to the side, I have a mirror here. I may have to put my glasses on so I can see. Okay, so I'm just going to get it here and just, I guess I'm just going to kind of apply it as if I am, ooh, even though it's thick, you guys, it melts very, very well into your hair. Oh, wow. I guess I'm going to just apply it like I'm doing a deep conditioner. I don't know. That's pretty much how I saw others use it, so. All over these strands to try to thicken up my strands. I can say it definitely does define the curls. Look at that. And the front of my hair doesn't have as many curls as the back of my hair. My back of my hair is more curly. And make sure I'm getting my roots, because your roots are very important too, as well as my edges, baby hairs, whatever you want to call them. See right here, my hair doesn't really curl up that well. And I apologize. Y'all guys are seeing the sun from my window, the light rather, from my window that's kind of reflecting in. Oh yeah, I like the way that feels, you guys. I'm going to spray it. My hair is high porosity, so my hair dries very, very fast. Very fast. So I have my spray bottle for that reason. I'm going to get me one of those fancy spray bottles. Just haven't gotten around to doing so yet. Just spray my hair. Like I said, I'm just going to apply this like it's a conditioner, I guess. Oh, it definitely feels really, really good and really smooth on my hair. Feels so good. Oh, wow. Feels so good. Very smoothing, very moisturizing, very buttery. And those curls are popping. Curls are popping. Yes, my curls are very defined with this product. And the water just helped disperse the products more smoothly in your hair to make sure it gets directly into your strands and not sit on top of your hair, which, like I said, I do have high porosity hair, so products doesn't, I don't have a problem with it sitting on my hair, but because this product is thick, make sure that it's penetrating my hair shafts. Now, some protein treatments, it make your hair real stiff and hard. Well, this one isn't doing that at all. See? Usually when I use other protein treatments, my hair is so hard until I can't even let it sit in my hair that long. And this recommends that you let it sit in your hair for at least 15 minutes. You can get on the hooded dryer if you like, or just put some plastic caps on your hair and just let your body temperature warm the product up into your hair. So I'm just going to just twist this one up and proceed to the rest of my hair. And then I will come back and show you guys how it looks. Probably before I wash it out. Please, you guys, make sure you get the roots of your hair. They are very important. They need to be thickened and strong as well as your ends of your hair. Okay. It caps. And although it did say to sit on your hair, let it sit on your hair for 15 minutes. I may let it sit a little longer because I need to go fix some lunch. So I'm also going to get my stick bag here, just to make sure it gets nice and warm to penetrate my hair. And then last but not least, I am going to get my so we can let this body heat does its job, does its job. Let your body temperature go to work. I remember when I was relaxed, my hair was much thicker than this. And I used to have to sit under the dryer. Oh my gosh. Hated the dryer. So yeah, so we're gonna just let this sit and let my body temperature go to work. And I'm gonna go fix lunch and rinse this out, and I'll show you guys how it looked as soon as I rinsed it out. And I might style my hair too. I don't want this video to be too long, but I may style my hair. Probably do a wash and go, something quick. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. I just washed the protein treatment out of my hair. Bring y'all closer. So this is how my hair looks after rinsing out the protein treatment. And honestly, you guys, well, I really don't feel a whole lot of difference in my hair, if I can be honest. Now, I did like the way the protein treatment went onto my hair. It was very smooth, felt like butter. But if I'm honest, my hair really doesn't look any different than when I usually wash my hair. So I can't really say if did a whole lot of good or not. I don't know. I guess over time, but I honestly cannot tell the difference in how my hair feels. It feels the same.